Join us in celebrating the wonders of science by participating in the 2026 Quinte Regional Science and Technology Fair. This exciting event will take place at St. Teresa Catholic Secondary School on April 11th, 2026, and promises to be a fantastic opportunity for students to showcase their innovative projects and experiments. Whether you're a budding scientist or simply curious about the world around you, this science fair is the perfect platform to explore your interests, engage with peers, and inspire others with your discoveries. We can't wait to see the incredible ideas that will be unboxed at this year's fair. So gather your materials, ignite your creativity, and get ready to make your mark in the scientific community.